Look at this glorious morning. Just look how beautiful it is. This is our second to last morning, do you realize that? In the resort? It's Grant.
About to cry.
It's Grant. Grant wins the honey pot. We ran out of coffee. All we have is decaf in our room. So we're running down to Goods Food to Go to grab some coffees for everybody. And an apple juice for Sue.
Yeah, I just woke up.
He literally just woke up. I told him, I was like, get clothes on. I don't know why Sue or the girls let us do anything together.
No.
We just bought all this. I don't even know what's in that. To be honest, I don't even know what's in that paper. I just bought it. And then I bought, I got suckered into buying a fresh baked banana bread at the gift shop.
I don't know about fresh baked, but
hey.
It was baked.
It was baked. It was at least baked. Sarah requested a monster.
Hold on, I need to take my lipstick off of me.
Sarah requested a monster for breakfast. Okay. Here's the.
I'm on vacation.
Here's the awkward sandwich I bought and I had no idea what it was. It looks not that good. It's definitely a hamburger bun.
To sail through the universe of time. And for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover there? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. Because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end.
You guys did the same exact answers. We had the same exact video.
So
this is our plan. We're going to the land for breakfast, for living with the land, and Soarin' all in one. And they're being reckless.
But at least I can just
Come on, Nemo.
Oh, she's a Pumbaa. She's a Pumbaa. Peter and I ordered off the kids menu. Got grilled cheese, tomato soup. I just got a little bit of everything, Peter. We can share it all. Mother got a rotisserie chicken. Looks like tacos and fajitas.
Guys, I feel like I haven't said anything in a while. I had Violet on Spaceship Earth and it was amazing. And now we're going to do our living with the land.
Haven't done this
We
before.
love. No, we haven't. Let's go. And we went back to back, like right when we get off this, our Soarin' Fast Pass will begin. So it's perfect timing by this one.
Listen to this music.
He's very good at descriptions.
Apartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight and watch your de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños.
We found these two, and it's nap number 2 on Uncle Peter for her. Baby's first DVC lounge.
She's gonna get her own coffee.
They got the AC going over there.
Parenting 101.
Chip the white cookie.
Your babies can have cookies when they're bigger.
We left the DVC lounge just now. Chelsea's with us. You'll see her in a second.
Do you love it? Wow. Look at that. Here's your Mexico hat. Are we gonna eat at every country? Is that the plan? What are those called? I can't say it.
Chicharron.
And guacamole. We decided that in every country we're gonna take a picture of Violet wearing a hat. So that was their first one.
Excuse me, have you seen a duck?
Viking hat.
Ha! Viking hat. Let's go. Ooh. Here's Vivi in the Viking hat. I'm pretty sure I was too excited to put it on the vlog.
Violet's in the craziest stroller ever because the front wheel keeps freaking out.
I think the front wheels are like
Bending.
not okay.
It's like not turning when the stroller turns.
Oh, nice. Do they make a mini one for you?
Oh, baby. It is pouring. So I looked at the radar, and like the future radar on weather.com doesn't have us stopping here until potentially 6. And it's for like a break, and then it might continue until about 7:38. So I don't know. We're gonna wait it out and see, or make a call on what we're gonna do. If I want them to see Illuminations, because there's more rumors. Like Disney has not confirmed yet they're gonna get rid of it, but Reedy Creek Municipals just approved a new budget to add millions of dollars worth of mechanics and electronics to the World Showcase Lagoon through the American Pavilion. So it's going to be all mechanics and electric, probably for the new show. They just haven't given us time, and I'm willing to bet, I'm saying it now, Illuminations has 12 to 24 months, and that's being generous of potential lifespan. So I really want to watch it. I want the family to see it because I like to think they're going to be back between now and next year or 2 years from now, but nothing's guaranteed. So, and they love it, like me and Sarah do. We're still hiding in the China Pavilion. Oh, look at that, it's you! Look at you! Ooh. I look extra tan next to you.
Come on, me.
We just made the decision. We're going through the rain for the rest of the countries. Alright. That's staying there. We're worried about Sarah's dress, but we did not find a poncho. Grant has a poncho with the baby sleeping under it. Christina popped a hole. Oh, that's the armpit. And we're going on to Germany. We're gonna see how far we can get it. There's a little bit of a slow period right here. Guys. Brewers collection. Food and wine tents. More food and wine tents. But we're gonna take the pit stop here. All right, we're killing a couple birds with one stone. I'm gonna get the noodle gratin that Christina just got. I'm gonna get the Schopenhauer. It looks like it's stopped raining, but the issue here, it sounds, the radar, the way it sounds, the way the radar looks, and the way the clouds look, I think it's about to get even worse. So we're gonna try to trudge through as much as we can in World Showcase before it really downpours, because regardless, we're gonna get rain now. Whether we go straight to the bus now, so why not enjoy some World Showcase, get poured on, then go to the bus and get poured on, and try to make it as much of a good day as we can. I'm nervous because before, about an hour ago, it said it looked like it was going to stop around 7 or 8, but now it looks like it's going to go past 8:30, so I'm very nervous about Illuminations.
Guess what?
You got a pretzel!
Magical moment.
No! You got a magical moment pretzel. Schopenhauer and a noodle gratin and a pretzel.
This little ghosty ghost is escaping the rain. She's like, ooh, ooh, baby, ooh. We put this head on first. Now she's ready to ride the gondola. Get this thing off me.
I wanted the family to watch Awesome Mix Live, and I don't think it's gonna happen because of the storm. This is their last full day in the parks. Sarah's mom goes home tomorrow, so we're gonna make the most of it. And Chelsea's with us, so we're gonna party it up.
Grant had to go because he needed some OCT.
Which is only child time.
That's hilarious.
Look at how Americana this girl is. She is my niece.
Chicago girl born and raised.
Smile. Oh,
America girl born and raised.
hi, baby.
Vivi.
Hi.
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 Peekaboo.
No,
We finally ran into our friends, and one of these days we'll actually hang out. We only run into each other.
We don't even have to hang out because the universe brings us together.
I'm just filming.
Well, the first time we met, it was serendipitous. It was at Animal Kingdom.
Sarah.
Yeah, you guys run our vlog.
Serendipitous.
It's my middle name. It's my middle name.
That was so
Okay,
long
this
ago.
is too
Years.
much. I don't know what to do.
All right.
I'm
Well, we're
freaking
hanging out with the Brookhart Project. We always seem to be like in the same zone as them. Like at every.
It's just meant to be.
It's just yeah.
Well, it's usually at EPCOT. I just think we
It's
like
almost
EPCOT.
always at EPCOT, but it's great to see you guys again.
Good to see you. We'll plan,
We'll plan it
We'll
soon.
plan
here or
something.
Sarasota.
Bye.
Oh, it's great seeing you too.
All right, that's official.
It's like Tokyo Drift. The wheel has gotten, Disney World has gotten the best of this wheel. And so we're trying to maneuver.
Another one.
Not another one, Mimi, not another.
The things that are like draped onto her face though too.
Oh, we're trying out two. Oh, nice.
We're in France. I'm going to get, I said what I wanted for dinner was a baguette and coffee. So if you're new to our channel, this is my very favorite breakfast in all the world. But I'm gonna grab one of those baguettes, fresh coffee, and call it a day. The whole thing ends up, a full baguette's only $2.95 and a coffee is like $2 or $3. It's like a $5 or $6 breakfast and it's delicious. Gotta say, these people have here been troopers. I expect it from this one. Not that one.
How many different carbs can I eat today?
All of them. There's something beautiful and peaceful about the drizzle that's going on right now with the very limited amount of guests here. Looking at the lagoon all set up for Illuminations. They're over there getting the baby ready. I think we're gonna try to do our fast pass for Frozen and see what the game plan is after. Chelsea just left us. Alright, I think this is gonna be the last thing of the day at the park because of the rain. But Sarah snagged these fast passes hours ago. And the 3 people we're with haven't been on this yet, so it's gonna be pretty sweet.
We're going up to Elsa's ice cup. You and you and you. It's like today, honor and save her sister with an unselfish act of true love. Rules for me.
Somehow Violet slept through that extremely loud, wet ride.
Oh man. We don't go on Frozen a lot and I forgot that there's 2 drops in it and it's kind of wild and you can get wet. And Violet is beyond overtired and was asleep. Wild.
Vivi, look!
She likes to flash. That's what it is.
Yay! We're just sitting inside on couches until Illuminations so we can stay dry. We were thinking of going back to the hotel, but we're so close to Illuminations. Probably not going to be here for much longer, so we decided to stick it out.
Wow. We're back at Old Key West. Took the buses, we kind of ran out of there, but I am going to run over to the hospitality house and grab some snacks because when you're watching this, I can tell you we're in building 14, literally across the street, and it is great to be this close to the hospitality house.
Last night at the hotel spread. Bom, 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 bom.
¿Dónde está mi teléfono? Aquí está mi teléfono.
Christina, get this on the vlog. Let it be known, our family is split when it comes to the White Sox and the Cubs.
They don't even truly like organized sports that much.
Our last night here. It happened so fast.
At least we get to see you tomorrow.
skiing tomorrow.
It's a great vacation.
We still get a day tomorrow to relax everyone. My mom's flight's not until later.
Yeah.
Christina, Grant, and Violet are actually spending the night at our apartment tomorrow night. So we still have some time. But it's just our end
of our resort stay. Thanks for following along. You guys are the best, as always. We love you all. We have a lot of time that we're going to need to allocate to responding back to Facebook messages,
yes, we apologize.
YouTube comments, Instagram messages and comments. We are so behind because of the past vacation palooza, 2 weeks of family coming in and out. So thank you for your patience. We are going to get back to everybody because we love all those.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.